Welcome to Balochi Zone. In today's video, we'll go through some of the greetings and some of the basic phrases in Balochi language. To say hello in Balochi, we say salam, hello, salam. This is the most common way of saying hello these days, and the word salam is Arabic in its origin. There's also a second pure Balochi version of saying hello, and that is druet. Druet, hello. Druet is very close to the Persian word drud, meaning hello in Persian language. Druet, hello. To say hello and welcome, we would say druet o drahbat. Druet o drahbat. My name is John. Mani nam John ent. Mani nam John ent. I come from America. من چه آمریکا آتکگم. I come from America. Hello friend. Druet sangat, or you can say salam sangat. Your name? Tei nom? I am Hamal. Man Hamalan. To ask someone how they are, as in how are you? How are you? We would say ta chuen a. Ta chuen a. Or you can say ta chetar a. Ta chetara. To respond to that, we would say I am fine, thanks. I am fine. Thanks. Man dadan minnatwar. Or you can say man washan minnatwar, meaning I am good, thank you. You? You? Ta? Or you can say to. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ta edo chie kanag a. Ta edo chie kanaga. I am studying here. Man edo wanagam. Man edo wanag. I am going. Man rawag. Man rawagam. I am going. Goodbye, sir. Washi wajah. Washi wajah. Bye. Washing. Do forgive me. Mano pahel kan. Mano pahel can. Good night. Good night. Shab wash. Shab wash. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. شما شب و روچ wash.